haven't done it yet. There's a big difference.
Look at my face. Look at my fucking face. Treat me in. You think I wouldn't have liked to have changed this? Oh, shut the fuck up. What are you trying to roll me into a three-way? No. I didn't fuck that girl, okay? Because I'm committed to not past. Oh, right, and it doesn't do with Chinese finger trick. And I'm not doing that because she was Asian. So you tell me not to change my wife. Yeah, you're unbelievable. Hey, Nick, can I ask you a question? Does it seem like it's all about that? Yeah, just like
Oh, it's like you're up
We're going to talk about Cincinnati ever, okay? Is this why you have that shoebox in your mouth? Cincinnati? Yeah. What? That's fucking insensible. Dig it in the closet. What was I supposed to do?
How do I know which one it's supposed to be?
Is this a fetus?
Why are we still talking about this, okay? We said we would never talk about this. By the way, we're going to say in the fucking friendship handbook that you are the only one without any fucking problems.
I forgot that it says in the asshole